Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today is 27 June 2024. So I will show you how you get 1 million coin on Hamster Kombat. Today coin is stable. So check the video description. I will write how you do it because there is many people told me that they did not understand what I am trying to say. So if you know the alphabet, today code is stable. When you do it, you will get 1 million coins. As you can see, from now I get 1 million coins. So don't forget to subscribe this channel, like it, and share it to your friends so that they can earn. Thank you.